Ui, why mouse got problem one? Also not sensitive. Ui, what happened? Computer cannot run ah? Ui, why cannot on? Apa sah? Wow, computer got so many options. Wow, RGB everywhere. You see, RGB. Oh, this also nice one. Thermaltake. Wow, level 20 casing, you know. Wow. Ui. See, got Thermaltake, got Miku, got ROG, got headset, got mouse pad, got keyboard. Wow, ROG headset, ui. XPG headset also got. Ui, TT Esport. XPG power supply. A router. Water cooling piping. A data gaming keyboard. Excellent DVD room. Wow, so many power supply. How to choose oh? AIO cooling also got AIO cooling, you see? You might ask, what service available here? First, PC upgrade and troubleshoot. Second, laptop slow, want to upgrade, SSD, RAM, no issue, come. Third, software diagnostic. Taiwan Excellent believes that innovation makes a difference in everyone's life. Excellent means creative design that we use every day on the street, at work, at home. It is a thing that touches us. Excellent means technology makes us healthy, keep us moving, and give our children a green tomorrow. Excellent empower people to dream amazing dreams and life fuller life. It is the best Mac in Taiwan. It is a choice for innovative for everyone, everywhere, every moment, every day. Powered by Taiwan Excellent.